Hey everybody, this is Notes 42 for my On Track crew. If you are honors, you're in the wrong place, go find the honors one. But today we'll be working on polynomial factors, writing polynomials from the roots. So our solutions lead us to factors. So we've learned a little bit about this recently, but we can do this. So write a quadratic function with zeros, 8 and negative 4. So remember that zeros is another word for solutions, right? And so what that really means is that x equals 8 and x equals negative 4. So if I know the solutions to a polynomial, then I can find the factors by solving for 0 on one side. So I want to get this to be 0. So the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides. That's going to give me x minus 8 equals 0. That's one of my factors. I'm going to do the same thing. I want this to be 0, so I'm going to add 4 on both sides. It's going to give me x plus 4 equals 0. You'll notice that we just switched the signs. We're used to this. We haven't changed anything. So we see that our factors are x minus 8 and x plus 4. Right? We see that happening here. Pretty simple. We've done this before. So now that we know our factors, we know that we have x minus 8 and we have x plus 4. We can use the box or double distribution to solve for standard form. So x times x is x squared, negative 8 times x is negative 8x, 4 times x is 4x, and negative 8 times 4 is negative 32. I want to combine like terms in the box, so I am going to combine each of these. I'm going to get my final answer of x squared. I have negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4x and negative 32. This would be the equation that goes through 8 and negative 4. So I was thinking like a graph. I'd have a solution at positive 8, maybe that's over here, and then maybe negative 4 is right here. I see that it is x squared, so, and I know it opens up like a cup, so I might see something that looks like this. That's just an estimation. I have no idea what the graph looks like, but I know that it looks sort of like that. So you may see ones with fractions, and fractions work exactly the same, just a little bit trickier at the beginning. So I want to get this to be 0. Right now I see dividing by 5, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. I better erase that. Let's see. Both sides by 5. So now I have 5x equals 3. From there, I want to get this to be 0, so I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. I get 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. That's one of my factors. I'll write it right here. 5x minus 3. Right? We'll do the same thing over here. So what I have, I'm going to multiply times 2 on both sides. So I get 2x equals negative 1. I want this side to be 0, so I'm going to add 1 on both sides. I get 2x plus 1 equals 0. That makes this one of my other factors, 2x plus 1. From there, I'm going to multiply it in. 5x minus 3 times 2x plus 1. 5 times 2 is 10x squared. 5 times 1 is 5x. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 1, negative 3. Don't forget to combine your like terms. So we have 10x squared minus 1x, or just minus x, minus 3. That would be my final answer. Please ask questions. Good luck, guys.